Okay. Okay, that's getting it all, I think. That's getting it all. Unboxing on the Hyper Tough 22-inch cordless hedge trimmer. So, at the new house, got some hedges. I've got a trim, and I believe this is a Walmart only brand, Hyper Tough. So, let's unbox this and see what all we got here in the box. Today's knife is the Leatherman Sidekick. Amazing little tool. I've got a Leatherman free T2 coming. I've got a Leatherman free T2 coming that we'll do an unboxing on that, and I'm super looking forward to that. There's a lot of tools on the Sidekick that I just don't use every day, so the free T2 is right up my alley, and I can't wait to do an unboxing on that. So this is a 20-volt cordless 22-inch head trimmer, Hyper Tough, and let's get this opened up so we can see what all is in here. Missed a piece. They sure taped this real good. Okay. Okay, so we got a manual for those people that know how to read. I cheated on all my spelling tests in high school, so I'm not the best reader, but I listened to a ton of audiobooks. This looks like our charger. Let me zoom in here a little bit so you guys can see this better. Let me adjust the camera. You're sitting on top of my grill right now. That's where you're sitting on top of. I wish I'd brought my Joby, but I didn't. Okay, so you're sitting on top of my grill. So, instruction manual, you know, for those people that like reading. Look at this. What do you think it is, the charger or the battery? What do you think it is, the charger or the battery? Oh, it's both. It's the charger and the battery. So you've got a 20-volt Hyper Tough lithium battery, and the box says there is 2 amp hours on this battery. So let's just so you just slide it on right there. Yep, that's on all the way, and then you plug it in and you get some charge. Okay, and once you plug it in, it does that. Just like the little device says on the top of it, it has a red and green if it's charging. Red and green if it's charging, and then it'll be fully green once it's fully charged. So, let's go back to the box. Okay, now we're back at the box, and let's get the box open. Let's take a look at the 22-inch. Oh, good, it comes with a protector. I didn't know if it was going to come with a protector or not. So it comes with a blade guard on it, and then the blade guard was inside this box right here that was inside this box. So let's set all this to the side, and then feels lightweight. Yeah, it's a little 22-inch Hedge trimmer, and it has 2 hours of operating. So you pull this lever down right here to get the trigger to move. So this is a safety right here. This is a safety. See, the trigger's not going in. You pull this down, and then you pull that in, and it moves. So once that battery's charged, I hope to get some video on this tonight using it. Gotta bless the exterior of the house. And look, it's got a little hanger right here for the garage. So I could hang this off of a hook in the garage right here. Now, isn't that slick? So there it is. The Hyper Tough 20 volt lithium Walmart brand hedge trimmer. You know, I'm not doing a ton of commercial work. I'm just doing stuff around the house. So I don't need to spend $200 on a trimmer. I'm spending 66 bucks on this. 66 bucks on this. So super excited about that. Okay, let's set this over to the side.